Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix it if your iPhone is stuck on the red battery icon or low battery screen. This issue can be caused by several reasons such as software glitches, faulty charging equipments or battery related problems. But there are some effective ways to get past this problem, so let's get into them. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone while charging. Put your iPhone on charge. After that, press the volume up and down button. Quickly after that, press and hold the power button. Hold that for 30 seconds. And if this doesn't work, press and hold only your power button for 30 seconds. After that, restart your phone. Solution 2. Charge your iPhone using a different charger and cable. Sometimes the issue may be with your charging cables, adapters, or power source. So use an Apple certified charger and cable to ensure proper charging. Try using a different power outlet to rule out the possibility of a faulty outlet. If possible, try charging your iPhone with a different charger to see if it resolves the issue. Solution 3. Let your iPhone charge for a while. If your iPhone has severely depleted battery, it might not respond to you immediately when it gets plugged in. So plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, try to power it on by pressing and holding the side button or power button on older models. If the red battery icon disappears after charging, it means your iPhone just needs a longer charge time. After following everything on your iPhone, if you still have issues, then I highly recommend you to visit Apple support for hardware issues. So guys, those were the steps you can follow to fix the issue of your iPhone being stuck on the low battery screen or the red battery icon. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions. I'll try to help out if I can.